In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate a Steam Keys game product code. Let's dive right into it. First things first, you're going to need the Steam application installed on your computer. If you don't have it yet, no worries. You can easily download it from the official Steam website. Once you've got Steam up and running, open the application. You'll be greeted by the login screen. If you're new to Steam and don't already have an account, you'll spot the option to create one right there on the same page. However, if you're like most users and already have an account, simply enter your account name and password that you set up during your initial registration. In case you can't remember your credentials, you can always retrieve them using the Forgot Password link provided. After entering your information, click the Sign In button to access your account. This should take you to your Steam homepage. From here, it can sometimes feel overwhelming with all the new features Steam regularly introduces. Rest assured, we're keeping things simple. Focus your attention on the Library tab. This is the section where all your games, software, and anything else you've purchased or redeemed on Steam will be housed. Once you're in the library, direct your gaze to the lower left corner. You'll notice a button labeled Add a Game. Click it, and you'll be presented with several options. Here's where you want to choose Activate a Product on Steam. This selection prompts a new window designed specifically for redeeming your Steam key. In this product activation window, click Next to proceed, followed by I agree after reviewing the Steam subscriber agreement. It's often a good idea to get familiar with these terms if it's your first time seeing them. Now, we come to a crucial step. You'll have to enter your product code. This code is essentially a string of alphanumeric characters that you should have received upon purchasing your game. It might have been emailed to you or shown on your purchase screen. Once you've entered the product code, double-check for any typos to ensure accuracy. After verifying the code, hit the Confirm button. You should now see a confirmation message indicating the successful redemption of the code. Your newly added game should now appear in your library, all set for downloading and playing. In the event you face any issues, don't worry. Steam generally supplies an error message, offering guidance on resolving whatever might have gone wrong. And there you have it, folks. With these straightforward steps, you've successfully activated your Steam game product code. Enjoy your gaming adventure!